Hey everyone, friends, you're on the Whaler channel. Today I'll show you how to fix missing network adapters. Right? See, they're gone. First, try opening Device Manager. Device Manager. Here we have an option to show hidden devices. Click it and you'll see, for example, hidden devices. Maybe your adapter just got hidden. If that doesn't help, try disabling antivirus and VPN, then restart. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, Windows Security. Now just disable the antivirus and try rebooting. Manage settings and turn off protection. There, and also VPN. Just search for VPN, press enter, and disable it. Now, if this doesn't help after reboot, then run network troubleshooting. Just type troubleshooting. Go to settings. Here we need to select other troubleshooters. Here we have network and internet, so let's run the troubleshooter to fix any issues. If that doesn't help, then you can run some commands in CMD. Open the command prompt and type netsh winsock reset. Then press enter. You need to run it as administrator for it to work, as you can see, because it didn't work for me when I just ran it normally. So run as administrator, type netsh winsock reset, press enter, and then type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. Do these two things and then try restarting your computer. This might help. If that doesn't work for you, then you can try resetting your network. To do this, type network. And we'll need to go through the settings here. Click on Settings, go to System, and here we need to find Internet. Here, click on Internet Connection, click Advanced Settings, and here click on Network Reset and reset the network. If all these steps didn't help, then the only thing left is to update Windows and restart your computer. Well, if none of that worked, most likely the problem isn't software related and you're missing a connection somewhere or something like that. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you next time.